Within Business Central, you can transfer items from one warehouse to another using what's called transfer order. So to start, we're actually going to take a look at the specific item here, and we are going to take a look and see how many are in each warehouse. So here we see that there's 250 pieces in the main warehouse, and the red warehouse has -4. So I'm actually going to go ahead and screenshot that so I can remember that for later. All right, so to get started, we're going to go ahead and do a global search for transfer order. Now, as you can tell, I did not type the whole word or phrase, and it still found my page that I'm looking for because of the fuzzy search in the system. And I did already start one, so I'm just going to go ahead and open that. So here we can see a couple of things. So the transfer from code is main warehouse, so we're transferring from the main warehouse to, in this case, east, but I'm going to change this to red. So from what we saw before, the main warehouse currently has 250, and the red looks like it needs some because right now it says it has -4 chairs. So here we have our posting date, and this is the line item. So this is what are we shipping. So in this case, we're shipping 8 Paris guest chairs. We have our shipping date here that we can change. We can tell the system how it's shipping. And we can also tell the system what agent is shipping it. So is this going to be UPS, FedEx, DHL, etc.? So when we're happy with this, we can go ahead and post it. And you can actually, you can print this, and you can add comments, you can do whatever you need to, but we're just going to go ahead and post it. So we're going to hit posting and then post. And it's going from main, which has 250, and to red that had -4. And it says it's okay. It's now gone from the screen because it's already been processed. And then we're going to go ahead and open this again. You can tell the quantity on hand didn't change because you still have that many between all of your warehouses. But when I go and look at my adjust inventory, I can see down here that my main warehouse, which was 250, is now 242. And my red warehouse, which was -4, is now 4. So we successfully transferred it from the main warehouse to the red warehouse using the transfer order option.